Good morning, dear students. Today in this video we are going to learn about the nouns and the different kinds of nouns. Now let me first explain you what is the definition of the noun. Like the definition of the noun is the words which are used as names of persons, places, animals or things are called as nouns. Let me repeat it once again. The definition of noun is words which are used as names of persons, places, animals or things are called as nouns. For example, pencil, bag, cow, fish, school and Reena. Now here in the examples we can see that pencil and bag are the examples of things. Cow and fish are the examples of animals, whereas school is an example of a place and Reena is an example of a name. Now students, next coming on to the kinds of nouns. Now there are 5 kinds of nouns. Like the first one is common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. There are 5 kinds of nouns, but since you all are in class 3, we are going to learn about only common nouns, proper nouns and collective nouns. The rest of the 2 nouns, the abstract noun and the material noun, you all will learn when you all will go in class 4 and class 5. Now students, let me explain you what are the common nouns. Now, common nouns are those nouns which are the names of the general people or places or animals or things. For example, girl, it can be any girl. Engineer, the name is not there, so it can be any engineer. Any city, any mountain. Tiger, any flower. Shoes, etc. Unless and until there is a proper name given to these things, they are called as common nouns. Alright. Now the next one, proper noun. Now what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the names of the specific people, places, animals or things. For example, if we take up girl, but if we name that girl like Rita, so that is a proper noun. Rita is a proper noun. Engineer, Mr. Sharma. Now Mr. Sharma is an engineer. So when I say Mr. Sharma, it is the name of a special person. So it is a proper noun. Coming to the city. Now city is a common noun, but if we name the city as Kanpur city, it becomes the proper noun. Next, mountain. It can be any mountain, but if we name it as Himalayan mountain, so it is called as the proper noun. Now tiger. Now there are many species of tiger, but when we say it is a Bengal tiger, so that becomes the proper noun. Next, flower. It can be any flower. So any flower is a common noun. But if we specify the name or the species of the flower, they are called as the proper noun. Next, shoes. It can be any shoes of any company, but if we name them of the shoes of the Reebok company or Adidas company, so it becomes the proper noun. So I hope children you have understood the difference between the common noun and the proper noun. Now students, coming on to the next one, the collective noun. Now what are collective noun? Collective noun is the name given to a group of people, animals or things of one kind. Okay, and for example, an army of soldiers. If we take up a group of people, we can say it as army of soldiers or the class of students. When we talk about a group of animals, it can be a litter of puppies. Okay, so these are the example of collective noun of animals. Now if we call about the collective noun of things, okay, so the example can be a bunch of keys or a bunch of bananas, a bouquet of flowers. All these are things. So if we are taking all together, all the flowers together, it can be called as a bouquet of flowers. If we are taking all the keys together, it can be called as the bunch of keys. Students, I hope you all have understood all the different kinds of nouns. If yes, then there are few exercises given in your workbook which you will be able to do it very easily. I hope you all have understood well. Thank you so much, students.